Hi, I'm Ben Beatty, Chief Health Officer here at BGSU. So we're encouraging individuals to come out to get rapid tested or attend for a PCR test as well here in the student union. And so when that process happens, we want you to sign up online first, and because keeping your appointment time is very helpful for us. We've had a lot of no-shows, which creates havoc because that takes a spot for somebody else that could have that spot. So if you sign up, we want to make sure that you actually come out and get that test. At the same time, we want you to arrive on time. Our whole process works in a fashion where it's streamlined so that we can get people in quickly and efficiently and get you out, hopefully in just a little bit over 15 minutes. Once you arrive on time, there's a registration process. We want you to wait on the assigned dots that we have because we're keeping everybody distanced appropriately. We'll register you, and then you get called back to do a self-administered mid-nasal swab test. It's very simple. And then at that point, you just wait in our waiting area for 15 minutes and we give you a result. For anybody who tests positive, you generally have an interaction with myself or somebody from my team to talk you through next steps as well. So we really work to support and then isolate as quickly as possible and then do that contact tracing for quarantining, and that's how we're really slowing down the spread of this virus. We thank you for all that you're doing, and we're looking forward to a successful spring semester.